Wala namang problema doon. Hey ladies!
We're here in Manila Hotel for the Ornap. And my Lola is there. You focus our Lola.
It's there, over there. So layo, oh.
My Lola is there watching the show.
Okay. Are you going to ride on the boat?
No,
Why?
we're going to the fountain. Let's go to the fountain.
Para
Pick up
naman
the grass.
Anak sa dalawang... wag na ako. Ang dalawang superstar.
Reporter's note.
Ah.
Siguro yun. What? Hindi pinapaalis. Ano lang siya? For viewing.
Oh, ayan.
For viewing? Yeah. Ito na mainit. Ito na mainit. Ayan. Chan, chan. Ayan.
Oh, ano yan? Ayan na nga, tinitingnan ko, oh. Baliktad. Oh, ayan, maglupasay ka na. Ang manang, may dala pang bang supot. Biglang binitawan. May dalang supot. Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye. Last day.
May balak pang magsiligo, oh. Okay.